How to improve water flow on automatic washing machine. From this to this. To begin with the procedure, turn off the washing machine. Unplug the switch of the washing machine. Turn off the faucet. Remove the water inlet hose. After removing the water inlet hose, use the pliers to pull the water inlet filter. Clean the filter on the running water until the dirt washed out. You could also use a brush to remove the dirt on the water filter. In this video, I use a toothbrush to thoroughly clean the filter. Put the filter back inside the water inlet of the washing machine. Connect the water hose on the washing machine. Open the faucet. Plug in the switch. Power on the washing machine. Then observe the water flow improvement. Thanks for watching.